DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Boars with the Mike Boars channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boats today, and in the event that you are having an aggressive or basically an extremely difficult time trying to get your steering wheel off your boat, whether it's a speedboat, pontoon, or whatever, we're going to show you exactly what did it for us. Let's take a look. Coming in with this hammer and basically aligning it with the center shaft or stud and applying outward pressure down here, and I'm using this hammer to hammer and drive that force inward on that shaft as I pull outward on the handle of this hammer and hopefully shock it free. We have removed the steering wheel, and compliments to the heat and the hammers. Here's the internal key right there, kind of like a half moon shape, and the back and inner side of it. And here's where the key goes, right in there. We are going to clean that up, sand it, and grease it before installing the brand new steering wheel. Here's the box, and inside is the brand new steering wheel. Brand new steering wheel removed from the box and packaging, and that's going to look good. DLRs, if you're still watching, one last thing, the finishing product